Now that the layer is created, we can start putting text on it. So how do you do that? The same way we did for the sprite. You click somewhere, you insert new object, and you go down to text right here. You click on it and you say, where do you want it? Well, I want it on the top left of my screen right here. And then you cannot see what it's written here, right? So you want to change some stuff. You can put it bigger. Still not really visible. So that's because it's black. So what you want to do is change the color in the properties to white. See, you can now see it. It's pretty small. So let's change the size as well. Want it bigger, 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 bigger. Okay, that's big enough. And we want to change what's written inside it. But this we cannot. We will change another way. And I think we want it to be bold. You can change the font if you want something more interesting than Arial, like Broadway, or I don't know, Calibri, something interesting, Gothic. I don't know, something that will make space. There's nothing spacey here. Let's go to something simple like let's say this. Doesn't matter much. So this is our space right here where we're gonna put the text. So you can see the text right here. We need to rename it as well. So that's where we're gonna put it, txt for text, and then score for the score. So one important thing here is the border line here. The dotted lines you can see, that's the viewport. That's the camera. That's where that's the window. So right now if I play, you can see the text is right there. Great. Oh, well, forgot I could die. Sorry. But if I move around, the text disappears. It's basically there, and yeah, and then it doesn't follow me when I move, which is not what we want. So what we need to do for that is use the parallax properties. So it's a bit complex, but all you need to know is the parallax for the main is 100%, meaning it's going to follow you all the time, 100%. Everything, the background, everything's going to move at the same rate as the camera. The HUD, we don't want it to move at all. We want it to stay where it is. So if you click on the HUD, you can see you're in the HUD layer right here. Parallax, change it to 0 and 0. And then if you try it, you can see that the text is here and the text remains where it is. So that's what we wanted. On the next video, we're going to change the text to make sure it shows the score.